What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another project video. Today I'm just chilling outside in the morning, drinking my morning coffee, thinking about what project should I do, how can I make this backyard look nicer. Then I get an idea. Let me build a patio for more space for us to play and have fun, more than just my 6 feet sidewalk where my beach chairs are. So started with a lot of preparation. Ordered a pallet of these pavers from Lowe's, picked them up, had to do loads in the car, left them there in the parking lot, came back, they were still there. Then I brought them back to my backyard, and look how nice it's gonna be. I'm gonna show you all that step by step for the 7x16 pavers, all nice with a border finish. Let's get started. First, I had a rose flower that I had to remove because it was in my way. I didn't want to make a notch there in the patio, so I wanted to just maybe move it 4 feet to the back and hope it lives. But spoiler alert, it's a month later and it did not make it. The roots were not strong enough. But anyways, back to the leveling, back to all that hard work and the compacting, making sure it's all solid and ready for the pavers and the stone, all that. I don't want it to be a problem in the future. I have also a slopey ground here, so it's not straight, so I'm trying to make it good. What's up, guys? Progress. I'm trying to build or clean up so I can make everything level before I put my weed barrier underlayment, and I'm getting into a lot of roots. A lot of trouble. Look, I started with one of the trees roots was in the way. Look at this. I'm like 3-4 feet away and it's still going. And there's even another one here. This is all coming from this big tree, which is like 15 feet away. But yeah, 40-year-old tree. It's older than me, so yep, let's continue. This all has to be level before I can put my bricks. All right, here is it. Katarni. Wow. Not easy. Not easy? Found a hole under the concrete. I could put my hand this way, like a foot. So I'm gonna fill it up with foam. I think that's where the mice used to hide, under the concrete. And that's why they made a big void and it cracked and it settled down. I have the appetite to really raise it up, but I'm gonna crack it if I do with a hydraulic lift. But easiest way is just to keep it. I know it has a slope, but it's okay. I'm just gonna fill up with foam so it doesn't go down any lower in the future. And that's it. I'm trying to level everything with the strings and make it all nice. Okay, let's try this. Gaps and cracks, great stuff. Oh, it's filling up. I mean, a lot. I'll wait till it cures a little bit and it's gonna pop out. That That's how the foam expanded after an hour or so. So now I can bury it. Continuing the preparation, I am making everything compacting it with this. So tough, but everything should be level with my strings before we start very soon. Okay, so now I'm in the final stages, just leveling it all up, making sure it's sloped the way I want it with my level on top of this 2x4, and just final touches, making sure it's all ready and nice to go. Double measuring, making sure my 2x4 is even straight, and just putting the level on top of it. So here we go. Next is underlayment, getting that all done and ready for pavers. I just laid down the weed barrier I bought, this plastic. It's actually very good. It will prevent the weeds from growing, but it will let the water go down, so it's permeable. Very, very good. Next, I'm gonna put the paver base stuff, and then I can put the pavers right here. Just an inch for that, and then 2 inches for the pavers. Let's go. Paver base. Let's just put it. I'm gonna try with my hands, spread it out. I only need an inch. So, bismillah. Here's the first one. Let's see. I'm gonna have to put my strings back in order to get a level and all that, so let me do that first. Here's the first one. Okay, good progress. I think I am good with my line here, and then good with my line here too, so I think it looks great. And I am not level, but a 1/4 inch low to that side, because I do want the water to go that way. I don't want it to come back to the house, so at the end I'll be an inch or two shorter over there, so water goes that way. But I think I'm gonna need to put spacers in between, because this way the sand, interlocking sand, will not fit if they're locked in like this. So, and they'll keep moving. So in order to put that sand, I'll have to put maybe an 1/8 gap in between. I'm running out of light, so wait till tomorrow, I guess, for that. So yeah, hard work, but it's finally seeing some results. We'll see. Once it's all done, hopefully it looks all nice. Back to work. Good morning, good morning. Okay. Here is progress from last night. We shall continue today. We'll see how many bags of that gravel I need. But be better maybe than the neighbors. Okay, it's the next day and I'm just gonna keep chugging along, pouring the paver base, gravel and sand bag by bag. I think each bag can covers 8 square feet, something like that. So I had to buy 8-9 of them, something like that. But it's pretty easy. This makes it so much easier to work with. You know, just level it with your hand or with a trowel, and then lay your brick or your paver. Tap on it a little bit to compact it, and it will stay in its place. It will not move. So it's really, really good. I like this material. It's worth it. It's $5 a bag, but it's worth it. Oh, maybe I forgot to mention, the pavers are only $2 a piece. So I had to buy like 120 of them. So not bad. tapping on it with my hammer or mallet, you call it, it's easy. I put a little bit more so it can be a little bit raised, and then I tap it into place, the exact place I want it, with the slope and level that I need. So yeah, let's check along. Fast forward. Okay, here's my method. Laying down a couple bags, leveling them up, and then putting them on with the spacers. And then checking with the level. So, let's see how far we get. Progress, doing good. I guess 7 by 4, I already did. All right, yeah. It's taking time because I'm making sure they're leveled and sloped the way I want it. So then the more time I spend now, the less time I think about them in the future. When I'm sitting down, I want to be relaxed and knowing that 100% I did a good job, and I'm very satisfied and happy about it. So yeah, taking my time, but we'll get there. Perfect level, perfect level. Very, very nice. Finally, we're done. All of it. And look who showed up. Alright, looks all nice. Spaced out good, compacted very well. Yeah, I did it. You like it? You like it? Hello, Rosie?
Yay.
Yay. Daddy's good? Okay. Now we just need to put the border and then put the interlocking sand in between the joints. Let's do it. So going diagonally is the best to get it in between my 1/8 of an inch joints. They're very small. But look what happened. They love the sand too. At least here will be good on this kind of slope. All right. Finally done everything. Last bit of sand. Finally, the border is complete. All around. Nice. Okay. Just this to the corner. And then we spray with water. All of it. Good, right? Slowly. Onto the joints a little bit, just like that. You know, most of it already went inside, so you gotta buy more. But this is just the first bag. Oh, all of it went inside. No good. Yeah, I gotta buy something better. This is it for interlocking pavers, but I need more.
Mama, yes.
At least now it's clean. Looking good. Let it go inside, it's okay. That's it. Nice and clean. Rosie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Watering? شو هذولا؟ وردة؟ Hey, that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next project. Bye.
What?
Here's the final look, and I watered it. After that, I got more sand, put a little bit, and we actually had our first swim for the season right on it. Perfect timing. Yep, they had a lot of fun. It's really good, stable, and a perfect outdoor surface for activities. Here's the patio a month later. We put a nice table out, chairs. The beach chairs are really good. And the garden looks much better. Now we have a lot of flowers, and vegetables growing. I have tomato over there, some peppers, and the mint, I moved it all back there. So we're good. And look at this nice feature. We actually went to the beach yesterday and we got stones. River rock. It's actually beach rock. So yeah, ocean rock, let's call it. Ocean rock. Look at that. Really nice. All around. These were free from Cape May Sunset Beach. And here's a month later how it looks. The sand, it's always like that, but they will never move. Very, very solid. Very good. Love the way it looked. Love the way it is. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next project. Bye.